Hey everybody, Anthony Yiman here with the Guillette Group and Premier Plus Realty. And hey, can I tell you a secret? I can show you a community that is a true hidden gem. Not many people know about it, not even the locals. Coves of Estero Bay. Come with me if you want to know more.
All right, so here we go, my friends. So this community is located in South Fort Myers, about 15 minutes from RSW Airport. So you're about 25 minutes to Fort Myers Beach, 15 minutes to Coconut Point Mall. I mean, this really is the location that you want to be. Check this entrance out as you drive up. I love this part. Nice big palms lining the street as you drive up through. Obviously, I was not going that fast. That's sped up to keep the video at a good length. So Coves of Estero Bay is actually in its third phase. Phase 1 started in 2017. Then they went to phase 2. And here we are in phase 3, which you'll see in a little bit as we get to some empty lots. Beautiful day to be out there checking out these homes. You noticed it was a gated community. They've got bigger home sites than you're used to, so that's a big draw to a lot of clients as you get some more space in between the homes. They also have very low HOAs. Right now it's about $203 a month, and that gives you access to the community pool, clubhouse, lawn care, mulch, and sprinklers. I'll show you some of that later. Now, KB Homes is a kind of a hybrid. They're a semi-custom home builder. So they do some production homes where they do have homes available right now that you could move into. Or you could also start the process and build from the ground up and have a little more choice when it comes to selections and build it how you'd like. Here at this particular community, they're offering 8 different floor plans, and they range just under 1,600 square feet to just over 3,000 square feet. Both single and 2-story homes are available. As I mentioned, with these larger home sites, which are about 75 feet wide, 125 feet deep, it gives you the flexibility and opportunity to have a 3-car garage, which, if you've been around Florida a little while or as you're looking, storage and space is huge down here, because we aren't lucky enough to have those basements that you have up north. Check out to the left here. These lots on the left side are pretty interesting. There's no homes being built behind some of those homes, so they just get almost a massive yard doubled up there. When I was out there, you could see they were busy. They were rocking and rolling. So here's the pool. As I mentioned, you do have low fees in this community. So with that, the old saying, you get what you pay for. You're not getting the blown out amenities, no water park here, no slides, no restaurant, but a nice little clubhouse that you can host events at. Obviously, when it gets super hot in the summer, you can still take a dive and jump in the pool. And a lot of folks do like that. It brings that affordability to the area that's needed in a lot of places. Both in the home prices and in the fees, the homes start in the mid 400s, which can be very affordable. There's also no CDD in this community, which is nice. So you back right up to Estero Bay Preserve, hence the name Coves of Estero Bay. So you've got some lots available that are right on the preserve. You have some available on the lake, and then also some dry lots. I wanted to get this shot to try to show you that spacing in between these homes and how big those lots are and the difference it can make. You can see from the shots too, they've got different elevations as far as color schemes and designs. As far as the front, some do rocks, some don't. There are model homes available in the community. So if you'd like, reach out. We could set up an appointment for you, get you through there. This was me kind of just going back out. I mentioned it was gated. This is the drive back out. Oh, this was awesome. This is a huge lake in the back of the community.
All right, so what did you think about Coves of Estero Bay? Hey, if you knew about it before, that's fine. But if you want to know more about it, feel free to contact me, Anthony Yiman, at 239-322-0596. You can contact any one of us at the Guillette group. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us. Talk to you soon.